Hartman Adventures at them, man. Good morning. How are you guys doing? It's been a while, man. It's been a while. It's been a while. Come try throw some lures this morning. First time I actually come throw lures in another spot here. I have no idea what it's gonna be like. But I can give it a try. Yeah, sun is on the rise already. Feels like I'm out late, but it's actually not late. It's still early in the morning, but sun is up very early. So yeah, let's see if I can get some lures tie on and start casting. Fish on, guys. Barra. Nice little barra. Whew. Hold on, man. Hold on. No, you flash this thing in my hand. See me here, guys. Nice little bar in about 2 pounds, maybe. Pound and a half, 2 pounds. Yeah, man. See lure there when I catch him on. Ouchie. Don't flash. You know what? Get the pliers. See him there? Nice little barra. See him there, guys? In about a pound and a half. I didn't keep him, but change my mind. He's kind of small, in about pound and a half. Just release him back in the water. I give him live for see next year. Hopefully I can catch him back when he reach 10 pounds. But yeah, off the mark for the day. It's been a while since I come out and get a nice hookup. So hopefully today I can get another hookup. Or what you know, guys? You know, say me dash my luck for the day, throw it back in the water. I don't think so. I call that giving back to the ocean. Yeah. And on the other side, problem with this now is that sun is directly in my face and I can't really see anything in the water because I don't have my glasses. But I'll give it a try, see me. If you remember the video of my Uncle Bertie when they run on the rocks and the rod broke, right round here, so a little bit further down to my left hand side there, so we did there when the rod broke. I know why Uncle Bertie hook up around the boat. He hook up something decent and he broke his rod. I'll put the video link just above, so if you want to watch the video there, just click on the link there. I might add it to the description as well, so if you want to find the video there, just click the link in the description or the one just above and you will see the video there. Alright guys, so let me show you something. Upon the size lure I may throw. This is about 4.5 inches, 5 inches long. Right? I don't know if I can see the fish here. One bar jack. See him? See him right here, so. Look right where the lure there. Look on his size lure to the fish. It's basically the same size as the fish. Almost the same size as the fish. And that fish grab up this lure, you know? I'm greedy this morning, man. Yeah. Next little barra. Drop back in the water. One is smaller than the one I catch earlier today. Guys, I've been moving all over the place. I've been just searching. Yeah, what's going on again, guys? What's going on? Yeah, man, there again. So we have the rod them set up out here, so I have some live bait out, just a wait for a bite, you know, so go and monitor them for the time being. But yeah, it's been a while, man. It's been a long time since I dropped a video, and it's just been a bit hectic on me, guys. It's been a bit hectic lately, so I haven't really done a lot of fishing. I've gone out a couple of times, but I didn't really catch anything noteworthy or anything to make a video like that, so I just didn't post a video. But hey, the amount of people will reach out to me asking if I'm okay, if my family is okay, saying that they haven't heard from me or they haven't seen any videos from me in a little bit, so they were just checking in on me. Trust me, guys, the amount of you that message me or send me a DM on Instagram or something just asking how I'm doing, it's truly amazing to see that so much of you are concerned, just checking to see if I'm okay. So big up on yourself. I'm okay, my family is okay. Well, my wife and my daughter, they are okay. when I was leaving home this morning, they were still sleeping, so didn't bother to wake them up. They had a late night last night, so yeah. But trust me guys, the amount of you will reach out to me and ask if I'm okay or if I'm doing fine, how's my family and all of that, it's overwhelming. So I'm here to say I'm doing fine, family is good, and thank you guys very much, very much for checking in on me, because trust me, in a them time I have to check in on your people them. I'm really happy say you guys check in on me, you know. You guys miss the content, so I'm out here today. Hopefully I can get some hookup today. Hopefully I can get a couple nice runs and make a nice video for you guys. But yeah man, big thank you to you guys, big thank you to you guys for checking in on us. And I can't really express how grateful we are for you guys to check in on us. So yeah man, big up on yourself. So